welcome. I hope everyone is doing great, living the best life and living fearlessly. So today is my first video and we're literally gonna just jump right into it. So in this video, I'm going to share my 4-step aloe vera and avocado deep conditioner recipe, which doubles as a protein treatment and a hydration treatment as well. So overall guys, we're going to strengthen that hair shaft and add moisture and hydration to the hair. So the hair is going to feel much stronger, you're going to have less breakage, it will repair those split ends, and overall you will retain more length, which means longer and stronger hair. So the ingredients today guys, you're going to need, look over here. You're going to need 1 medium avocado or 2 small avocados, half an aloe vera leaf, 1 egg, olive oil, and your choice of essential oils. So I like to add lavender, rosemary, and peppermint, which I'll be using today. But you guys can add any essential oil blend or just one essential oil that you like. And guys, it's just not about the smell. These oils do have a wham of benefits for your hair as well. They're very strengthening and they're very stimulating for your scalp and will overall stimulate hair growth. So I'm gonna stop rambling now guys, and let's jump into today's video. First, we're going to start off with our avocado. Begin by first removing the skin and the seed. Then, we're going to mash the avocado until it reaches a smooth consistency. As smooth as you can get it, but don't worry guys, we have a lot more blending and mixing in the next few steps. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some avocado. Now it's time to grab yourself an egg. For this step, you're going to crack open your egg and separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. And that's it. Then you can add your egg yolk to the mixture. And look at that. Doesn't that just look amazing? Next, it's time to add our aloe vera. For this recipe, I used half an aloe vera leaf. But guys, just remember, you can add a little bit more or a little bit less, depending on the size of your avocado. Let's start by first peeling our aloe vera leaf, removing all of the outer green skin. Next, simply pop it into a blender and blend it all up until no chunky pieces are left. Now it's time to strain our aloe vera. For this step, I used a pair of old stockings or pantyhose. Drape the stockings over your container of choice and pour in your aloe vera gel. Stockings are honestly the best method for straining. The holes are tiny enough to stop all of those little bits of aloe residue from getting through. And now comes the fun part. Begin by pushing down on the aloe bulb as hard as you can and watch that gooey aloe goodness seep out of the stockings. Aloe vera is one of my favorite raw hair ingredients. I literally call it my wonder product as it's packed with so much hydration and nutrients, which can not only promote hair growth, but help in retaining moisture and maintain the pH and overall health of our scalp. Look at all that gel. But wait, let's not throw away this leftover aloe residue. I like to apply this as a facial mask to heal, hydrate, and brighten my skin. Now let's mix everything together. Combine your avocado and egg mixture with your aloe vera gel. And once again, let's blend it all together. When you're done, it's gonna look a little something like this. A beautiful creamy green texture. And now it's time to add our oils. First, we're gonna start off with olive oil. I used about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, but feel free to use a little bit more or a little bit less based on your preference guys. And now just mix that bad boy up until it's evenly distributed throughout the mixture. And now for my favorite and final step, we're going to add our essential oils. Not only will they make our conditioner smell amazing, but there are huge benefits, guys, for our scalp and our hair. So let's start off with our lavender oil. Add 10 to 15 drops to your conditioner and stir until all the oil is evenly distributed throughout our mixture. Then simply repeat the same steps for your peppermint oil and your rosemary oil. Now it's time to take a closer look at my hair, guys. As you can see, it's extremely dry and feels really brittle. There's very little moisture or hydration, and overall it just looks really dull. Your girl's been wearing braids for the last month. So now it's time to hop in the shower and wash and condition this hair. I'll see you guys in a little bit. And we're back. Apologies everyone, I had a few technical difficulties with my audio and some missing footage where I was putting in the product. But overall, this is my hair on the first day after I took out my braid out. As you can see, the hair is a lot bouncier, the curls have come back. Obviously shrinkage is good, it shows that the hair is healthy. I actually do have 3 different textures of hair in my head. The hair at the front is actually mimics a blowout. If you guys are interested in learning more, I will be doing a video on this. I'm just going to jump ahead, guys, so you can see my hair later on in the week as well. So guys, as you can see, my hair is a lot bigger, it's a lot more moisturized. I did have a few problems taking it down, so there's a little bit of frizz, a lot of frizz actually. But yeah, the hair feels so nice. It's not as brittle as before, it's a lot more hydrated. Yeah, it's just great, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just want to say thank you. I hope that it adds some value for you and gives you some knowledge on your hair, and I hope overall you really like the recipe. Let me know, guys, in the comments what you guys think, what you guys like, what you guys might not have liked as well. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. I have a lot of videos planned for you in the next few weeks coming up. You can also hit the bell button to know whenever I post a video. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!